Check that out, man. They Sunday, man. Why y'all playing stuff like that? Look, man, what is going on, man? What's going on? Hey, man. A couple of rideshare people met up the other night, man, at a bar. You know, a weird spot for me, because, you know, I don't sip on none of that stuff. I don't drink that crap, man. None of that stuff goes into this magnificent body of mine. But look, I don't mind chilling with the ones that do. I ain't got no problem with them, man. I told y'all that a while back on one of them other videos. We still cool. It don't matter what you do, man. Your bad habits or your habits, it don't matter to me. That ain't what this about, man. I keep getting off subject. Look, I was talking to some young ladies, man. Some of them drive older model cars. Some of them drive newer model cars. Some of them got a whole gazillion miles on their car. Now, I let some of them know, you know, yeah, I work on cars. And let me tell y'all something, man. Let me tell you something too out there in YouTube where if y'all ride sharing in y'all cars, these little 4-cylinder cars, hell, and some V6s, and you cross the 100,000 miles, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You need to get done, man. You don't want to get caught out there like that, because it's nothing good can come out of this. If you got 100,000 miles you just crossed on your car, man. One thing, especially if your car, you got a little 4-banger on a V6, and your car is equipped with a timing belt, take it from me. Go get that timing belt replaced. Not checked, not looked at, not none of that. You get it replaced. See what I'm saying? Get it replaced. Don't matter what it costs, man. If this your thing, this what you doing, and you using this car for this particular service, as in rideshare, stay proactive, man. Get your timing belt replaced, man. Alright? I cannot overly stress that. A timing belt, hell, any belt, most timing belt has a lifespan of I've seen them break at 90, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and say 100. So most timing belt has a lifespan of around 100,000 miles. If you just crossed 100,000, please, people, especially you females, and some of you got everybody. You got 100,000 miles, you just crossed 100, go get your timing belt replaced. You'll thank yourself in the long run. I mean, here's what can happen if that timing belt break. 9 times out of 10, your engine is probably non-interference, which meaning if your timing belt break and your valve's in the middle of opening and your piston in the middle of coming up, Crash City, it's Crash City, baby. It's just something's got to give. Somebody's crashing into somebody. And in that process, you're going to bend some valves and you're going to ruin your engine and you're going to be out of commission, man. You don't be able to ride share no more, man. That was the whole point of getting into this anyway, man, to make some bread. Now you down because you got your eye off the ball. That's why I'm going to try to give y'all some news you can use, man. If you got 100,000 miles, go ahead, people. Take your car to the shop. Save up your money. You're Ubering, man. It's extra cash anyway. Get that timing belt replaced, man. Alright? That's a little tip, man. Hey, I did a whole bunch of videos on 200,000. You'll be surprised how many cars out there got 200,000 miles on people ride sharing in them. Hell, I'm one of them. My minivan, 204,000 miles. Still rolling, baby. I know what I'm doing, man. It's still rolling, man. Ain't going nowhere. Alright, I gotta keep this video short. Alright, I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. We